Now it's time to give you some help with the installation of your Mica mic arm. Which XLR connector do you need? And how to set up the Mica arm's on-air indicator. As standard, each Mica mic arm is delivered with open-end cable tails. The reason for that is simple. Every application requires a different length of the cable. Anyway, we also offer Mica arms with pre-mounted XLR connectors. But please note that if you order the arms with the pre-mounted XLRs, the arms will always come with the maximum cable length to fit any requirement. If you prefer to add XLRs yourself, we suggest to use XLR3 and XLR5 type connectors. Always make sure to leave adequate cable length before you cut the cable to fit. It is not possible to install a new cable loom inside the arm. On the cable's lower end, please use XLR5 pin connectors for microphone signal and on-air light feed. On the upper end of the cable, please use XLR3 type connectors for microphones. When installing the connector on the upper end, please cut off the black and yellow wires. They are not connected and do not carry any voltage. For Mica mic arms with on-air indicator, there's one more thing. If you are set to connect your mic via XLRs, you have another part of the arm that needs some installation. Each Mica mic arm on air gives you a dual color 360-degree light signal. To make most of it, you can simply reverse polarity to change its color from red to white. What you get is an unmistakably clear LED signal just above your mic. Find more detailed instructions in the Mica briefing book or on our website.